We are lucky enough to now be working with Dried Jerky, an amazing product on the Northern Rivers. It's a small family-owned business. Dustin Stone, who makes the jerky, he's been making it ever since he can remember, and he was always making it for family and friends. 3 years ago, he decided to get serious about it, and he bought commercial products and he started his testing phases. And he has come up with this gorgeous packaging. He does honey soy, chili plum, teriyaki, BMW is barbecue sauce, maple syrup and whiskey, salt and pepper, chili, and there is also a hot chili. And he also does Drac snacks for your dog. These are amazing. Our little Ellie loves these, and how they came to make the Drac snacks is that they have a bulldog, and this looks exactly like their bulldog, and he's gorgeous. It's all made out of 100% quality Australian beef. There are no preservatives in it. There's no colouring, nothing, all natural. We're more than happy to feed these to Ellie. Both of our kids love this jerky. We have had lots of different brands of jerky over the years, and this is our favourite by far. You can order online, you can call Dustin, you can pick it up. These products are popping up all over the Northern Rivers at the moment. It is $10 a packet, which is really reasonable. I think it's great. So I am going to bust open one of these bad boys. Which one do you think I should try? Normally I go for the salt and pepper and the chili plum. I think I might try the teriyaki. So look at their gorgeous packaging. It's, he hand cuts it, I'm just reading on the back. Stone dried, marinated for 48 hours, hand cut and crafted, great source of protein. Speaking of great source of protein, when we go camping and our walks with Ellie, we always take a backpack with fluids, etc. We always throw some jerky in. We always throw some Drac snacks in, and it's great to have in your backpack. So let's bust this open. So he has done a lot of testing over the years. Yum. That is, look how much you get in there. I don't know whether you can see. This is yum. Getting back to our camping, when we go camping of an afternoon, these are great when I make a cheese platter. I throw these on the cheese platter and they go like that. Great to have before a meal, after a meal if you're a bit peckish. I think we may get Adrian to try one of the other flavours.
All right guys, this jerky's primo. I'm going to crack open the BMW. So good. You get actually heaps in a packet too. So good. You can actually taste the individual flavours of these three ingredients. So good. If you love jerky, you're going to love this. It's so good. Deb will put a link to the website.
I love that these are made in our local area. So we only support products that we believe in. We 100% believe in this product. Do yourself a favour, buy some. You know, as I said, we'll leave the link in the description. This product is amazing. Helps support a young family. And I believe this is going to take off. This is how much Ellie loves the Drac snacks, and the Drac snacks are actually named after their dog. It comes in beef, chicken and kangaroo. Are you ready, my little darling, to have your little Drac snacks? She goes crazy even before I get them out of the packet. Here you go. Good girl. Good girl. Did she eat that? Oh, you dropped it, you silly duffer. I think that's enough for you today. You've had one too many. So that just goes to show she loves this, and we don't go anywhere without the Dracky snacks. So thanks for watching. Well done, Dustin. Amazing.